reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new CNN. Yeah, reel it in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this everyday makeup routine. It's like my updated everyday makeup routine. It's drugstore friendly, kind of beginner friendly, and also for dark skin girls, women of color, anyone like that. So if you want to see all the products that I use and how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. One more thing. I'm still learning how to do frontals and stuff, so like, I'm so sorry y'all, like, because they don't look the best, but like, you know, a lot of people like them, but I'm just saying, like, I'm still working with them. They don't look the best to me, so yeah. But once I figure them out, then more videos are coming about like how I do my hair and stuff like that. But yeah, sorry for the rambling. Let's just get into the video. Okay, first I'm going to start off with this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is the only thing that's not going to be drugstore because I don't have a primer that's drugstore right now. I'm just going to rub all of this in, like, just focusing it right here in my T-zone. This is where I get oily. This, I find, it don't really like minimize like the oil, just like kind of blurs everything out. Sometimes it, I don't know, it minimizes the oil a little bit, but not like drastically, like you're really sweaty. And here's a few foundations you can use. This one is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, and this one, I'm not sure what this one's saying. Oh, this one's in Cocoa. I hope it's focusing. Okay. Yeah, this one's in Cocoa, so yeah, I really like this one. This one gives like a dewy look. And then the Maybelline Fit Me concealers, these ones are the matte ones. And yeah, the dark one I use sometimes like to contour, and then this one is the shade I use to actually use for foundation. And this is very matte. So this one is 368 and 375. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me one in 368. I'm just going to apply this like to my face a little bit. I really try not to apply too much with that one because if you apply too much, it starts to look like really cakey and stuff. So yeah, and I'm just blending this out with the Morphe brush, and this is the M439 brush. And I don't worry about like what I don't cover because like a lot of it I cover with concealer like under my eyes and stuff. So I don't really need foundation like under there because the concealer is going to do that work. And I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in Chestnut. And I really like this one. This is my favorite one because it's kind of like close to my skin, but like not too much. Like it's a little bit of a highlight. And I like the, I don't know, I like the shade. So I'm just applying it everywhere to my highlighted areas. And this is not to like really highlight as much. This is like just an everyday type of thing. Now I'm taking my Real Technique sponge, I'm just going to blend it out. Now that everything's pretty much blended, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's a loose powder, and this one is in deep. And I really like this one. Just be careful not to use too much because then you will start to look cakey. I think that's with like the Maybelline Fit Me line. Like just make sure you don't use too much because like you will literally look so cakey. But it's very smooth. Like the texture is very smooth. This is just to set everything in place to make sure like if you are oily that you won't get as oily throughout the day, and so your makeup won't move. Now I'm taking this Morphe R2 brush, and I'm just going to wipe away the excess powder. I don't like to bake because it makes me look ashy, so I just do this. As soon as I put the powder there, just wipe it away. Now I'm going to take the other Maybelline foundation. I'm going to contour with this. And I just kind of started contouring. I'm going to use this ColourPop brush and just like dip into, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I wish they came out with pumps with this because like these get really messy. So just placing it right here, and make sure you like go up more than what you want. Yeah. So I'm just bringing out the shades that I want. So like, I'm just taking what's left over in the brush. There's not really much, and I'm just like going in my jawline and like on my cheeks. You kind of like cut out the cheekbone, and this dries really quickly, so make sure you can work fast. I just went around the perimeter of my head and under my mouth, and I'm gonna just contour my nose. So I'm taking this small little brush. It's just kind of like a fluffy brush kind of, and I'm gonna take it to contour my nose using the same product, and I'll just go right there, like kind of following where the bone of my nose ridge is, and I'm bringing it up to my eyebrow. And then going right underneath. And then just taking the same brush to blend it out. And also I have to define my cupid's bow by just going right there. Right under my mouth. Now I'm taking what's on the axis of the beauty blender. I'm just like patting in the middle because like the contour can get a little messy, and a little bit on the side. I'm not taking any new product, just like cleaning up the contour. And now I'm just going to sweep the excess and like get all the oil off my lids with the beauty blender. Now it's time to work on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to brush it out, and this is like a Ruby Kisses brush. And I'm going to take a shade in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the brown, or you can use, I'm going to show you other alternatives. So you can also use this ColourPop one. This one is in black and brown. Just a pomade. I like this one, but it can get like, it can make my eyebrows look oily sometimes, so I like to use the Jaclyn Hill one. Go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to kind of just feather my brows out. I've been trying this new technique for my brows, so I've been just like following what's already there and just feathering upward. Now I'm going to take this little concealer brush, and this is from the Morphe set. I got this from like a Morphe set. And I'm going to take Beautiful Bronze in the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. Alright, now that our eyebrows are done, now we're going to take this NYX stick, and this is in Sandy Glow. And I'm going to just apply this to my highlighted areas. So it's my nose, my upper lip, and my cheeks. A little bit of my chin, just like one little swipe. And like you see, that is, it's so pretty already, but you're gonna blend it out. So just taking a Real Technique sponge and just blending it out. I already have a video on affordable highlighters, but here's one, the Master Chrome Maybelline one. This is one in molten gold, so this one's really nice. It's affordable. I have like a lot of other drugstore affordable ones. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush, and this is the M51 brush. You can literally stop at the NYX one, but this is just a little bit more. And this one can be really blinding, so I really like I like highlighters, so. And I like to apply a little bit in my inner corner, so I'm going to do that too. And now I'm going to use this Maybelline Colossal Spider Effect Mascara. If you watched my video before, you know this is my favorite drugstore mascara, other than the L'Oreal Telescopic. But this one just kind of beats it. That just makes your lashes really long. It's better when you have like a fresh new one. Mine is pretty old. So. Okay, taking this LA Girl eyeliner, and this one's in Espresso, oh, this is in medium brown, and then this one is in brown. Line my lips with this, the medium brown one first. I'm going to take in the brown one and just kind of diffusing the medium brown. Now I'm just taking some Carmax and I'm just going to apply that. Or you can use lip gloss. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm going to apply a few like beauty marks. The lashes I'm going to use today are from AliExpress. It's a variety pack actually, so the lashes are right here. They're right here. I already used them. These are like more dramatic right here. And these two like wing out at the end. And this one wings out but is like more natural, so I'm going to show you out the pack. So these are here at the top. This is what they look like. I cut them already. So yeah, these are the ones I'm going to use today. I'm just going to use this lash glue, which is I think the Ardell one. Yeah, Ardell. This one is really strong. I don't really like it actually, but yeah, this one. It's very, very strong. It kind of like pulls out your eyelashes if you don't apply it right, so I kind of like the duo one better. That's it for this video. If you like it, please like, comment, subscribe, and please share. Turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I post. I'm glad that I got my camera back finally, and more videos are coming. Probably a skincare routine, like college, more college videos are coming also. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.